Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ford Finance account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in accountmanager.ford.com and press enter on your keyboard. After opening this website, this is our official web page for Ford Finance, and click on sign in button from here, and then type in your email and your password into the login area. If you forget your password, click on this forget password link over here and follow the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, click on this create an account link from here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your details, click on the sign in button from here, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.